up, guys? Me and Jono on our way to see some hill climb championship. Never seen it before, always seen it online, so we're gonna go check it out in person. He's been wanting to go for a long time.
Yeah!
Rado was supposed to come.
I didn't bitch out this time.
No, Jono showed up. Rado backed out, but that's alright. Rado was sick today. He's got bronchitis.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
So this should be pretty cool. We're gonna go check it out and be there in a second. Alright guys, we are here. This hill is pretty goddamn steep. There you go. There's a view of the hill for you. Let's go get a closer look. Holy shit, that was awesome. That dude caught some serious freaking air, man. I like the loudness. These dudes are crazy.
Only Husqvarna here has the second best life so far. That's how you do it. Holy crap. Good luck beating that time.
Wow. So it looks like you can go up on the side here. I think in a minute I'm going to hike up there just so before everyone goes up there.
Swing arms aren't extended as much as I thought they would be.
No, they are extended though.
They are, but not as much as I was thinking.
It's kind of disappointing that everybody's making it. I want to see some people eat it.
Think whatever I want to think. Never know until I
Old
try.
school dirt bike with a V-twin. That's a lot of low-end torque right there.
Not enough juice for that.
Guys, we're making the climb. Gonna get some cool angles. Jono doesn't want to climb, but I'm dragging him with me. He's down. Brooks. Oh.
Any torque in that bike.
Oh shit.
You can do it?
Is that a 125? Puts it into perspective how much power you need to get up this thing. You can do it, but that thing was struggling. 125, almost did it. He struggled though.
125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125.
That's a husky.
See?
That's a husky.
See?
That's a husky for you.
I almost didn't record that.
Soft dirt again. Tried it.
Oh, he didn't even dump it. Saved it.
Up over the second hill. I thought he went down and over.
No, he came around the circle. What?
Topless day.
Nice. It's already over though.
Yeah.
Alright, we're taking off, guys. It was pretty cool, but it loses its wow factor pretty quick, so we're gonna head out.
Woo woo.